Welcome to our e-cycle maintenance guide. In this video, we'll walk you through some essential tasks to keep your e-cycle in top condition. Let's get started. Let's start with the disc brake pads. These are critical for safe braking, as worn-out pads can greatly affect performance. To access the brake pads, first remove the wheel. Gently slide the wheel out. Carefully remove the old pads by unclipping or sliding them out. Take note of how they're installed, as the new pads will be set in the same way. Insert the new pads. Make sure they're placed securely and properly aligned. Once done, reattach the wheel by sliding it back into place and tightening the quick release lever or axle bolt. Finally, squeeze the brake lever to ensure the pads engage properly with the rotor. Adjust if needed, and you're good to go. Next, let's adjust the brake cable. If the lever feels too loose or doesn't engage the brakes effectively, it's time to tighten the cable. Turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise to increase tension. Test the lever again to ensure proper braking power. If this doesn't work, you may need to increase the tension of the brake cable again. Loosen the cable bolt at the brake caliper, pull the cable tighter, and then retighten the bolt. You can also turn the barrel adjuster clockwise to fine-tune the tension. Check the lever again. If the brakes engage properly, you're good to go. And that's it. With these simple maintenance tips, your e-cycle is ready for the road. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.